Are you an undergraduate college student interested in building a meaningful, packed resume that will make you stand out amongst your colleagues, classmates, peers? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be talking about yet another REU. Welcome back to Building Your Path to Success. I'm Stephanie. On this channel, I like to share a lot of information in short periods of time for both high school and college students to help them build a meaningful resume. If you like this type of information, please give me that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell. I need your support to keep making this happen. Let's jump right into it because there's a lot to be told. So today we will be talking about the Rutgers University DUESS REU. That's the Dynamic Urban Environmental Systems and Sustainability Research Experience for Undergraduates. That's a mouthful. Let's break that down. First of all, Rutgers University is in the state of New Jersey. And what is an REU? A lot of times I like to go ahead and review this. So if you've seen me before, you know I'm going to talk about it. An REU is a research experience for undergraduates. REU sites consist of a group of 10 or about 10 undergraduates who work in the research programs of the host institution. Each student is associated with a specific research project where he or she works closely with the faculty and or other researchers. Students are granted stipends and in many cases assisted with housing and travel. So basically, you're going to another university or institution to do research in that summer within your career field, and you can usually have them pay for your housing, they'll pay for your travel, and you will still get paid. They also talk about graduate opportunities and how to move on for graduate school. So today, let's talk about this particular REU at Rutgers University. Who are they seeking to apply? When will it be held? What are the benefits? We'll answer some of these questions and more. So at Rutgers University, with their Dynamic Urban Environmental System Sustainability Research Experience for undergraduates, this program is short because there's very limited information because right now on the website, they're basically saying, hey, we will be having this summer 2023, but we haven't quite put everything up yet. So it's limited information. However, in a short summary, this particular REU is going to be at the Newark, New Jersey campus, and students will be researching environmental and sustainability within urban settings. Now, that's huge. That's a big umbrella. But if you go onto the website, they will kind of explain the breakdown of what this means within each of the research areas. The research areas are going to be near surface geophysics, urban geochemistry and biogeochemistry, urban ecology, sustainability, and biodiversity. On the website, they will get into detail about what each of those three things actually consist of. The application is not open yet. It will open in December. However, if you go to the website, which I will leave the link in the description below, you could go in, put your email address, and when the application becomes available, they will email you. So you don't have to remember anything. You just go in, put that email address, and keep moving. Now, this will be between June and July. I should also say REUs, they vary in time length. Most of them are going to be 8 to 10 weeks long. So this will be June through July of 2023. And what are some of the highlights? First of all, let's go with the big highlights. Hands-on research. Even when you take your science classes and you have a lab, that's not as intense. In the REU, you're working about 40 hours a week, researching, working with your mentor or with a faculty member, and you have that one-to-one. So you're doing a lot more research, going more in depth. Then you're having, a lot of times they have lunch meetings or other opportunities where you have speakers. You will also sometimes they will have activities where you can go into the community, meaning take some tours, a little social fun. Maybe you haven't been to Newark, New Jersey before. You know, maybe they'll take a trip over to New York. I don't know, but usually REUs, they do have opportunities sometimes to go into the surrounding area in which they're doing the research. You will have a chance to look at this particular university. Is this a school I would be interested in? Why? Why not? To help you figure it out. They'll talk to you about building your CV. I know a lot of students will have their resume, but as you start to do REUs or SERFs or other internships, you will be building a CV as well. The importance of the CV is because it's a lot more detailed. The resume is a summary, and it's going to give you a lot more detail. So as you get ready to apply for graduate school, a lot of students who do this are looking to go to graduate school and getting the research under their belt. Some other highlights are going to be, you're going to get a stipend of $4,800. You will have free housing. So they didn't really mention in this particular REU if they're going to pay for travel, but I'm sure that they will. Most REUs also encourage minorities, women, underrepresented people within this field to apply. If you have a disability, often they ask you to apply. It's an opportunity for undergraduate students to have that added experience. My suggestion is that everyone who's into this field, into biology or geochemistry or ecology, apply. Maybe even chemistry. Apply. Apply to as many REUs, SERFs that you can apply to without stressing yourself out. Again, this is not going to open until December, but go ahead and go to the link below, put your email in so that you can be notified when the application opens. I wish you luck. Please give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. If this REU is not for you, please share it with someone else. Until next time, take care.